Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to download and install the application called ShareIt on your iPhone. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to an iPhone. So we now can bring the iPhone into the frame. Make sure the iPhone is turned on and then go to the App Store. Search for the application called ShareIt. Click on the first thing that comes into the search box. Click on download. And now this application will allow us to share and transfer files from iOS to Android and vice versa. Go to the application itself. Yes, allow notifications. And in the next tutorials, we will be sending and receiving from iOS to Android. Go back to your iPhone homepage. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.